I guess the exercise room is temporarily in there. That looks funny. Anyway, we're at the parking elevators at Harrah's. I think these actually are Westinghouse. All right, up to 6. Oh, there's Schindler. Talk over the music. Oh, seriously? Yes. These are the parking elevators. They go 350 feet per minute. Yeah, these are Schindler, very early ones. There's a view. There's some bridge out there. That indicator's dead. Anyway, look at how flooded that is. That's that. But quickly, look at this. It's totally flooded. That's crazy. Anyway, that's it.